To replace your garage door's torsion spring or springs, you'll need to take 3 measurements: the length of your spring coils, the inner diameter of your spring coils, and the wire gauge of your spring coils. To measure the length, place the 2 halves of the broken spring together and measure only the spring coils from end to end. Write this number down. To get the inside diameter, simply measure the inside of your spring as shown here. The most common residential sizes are 2-inch and 1 3/4 inch inner diameters. The inner diameter may be marked on one or both of the cones at either end of your spring. Ours is marked 2.00 but not visible on this video. Write your spring's inner diameter down. To measure a spring's gauge, professionals use a spring gauge rule. It works by inserting the end of the rule in between 2 coils of a spring and then counting out 20 coils as shown here. The corresponding gauge on the ruler that aligns with the end of the 20th coil is your spring's gauge. Our spring is 250 wire size. Write your spring's gauge down. If you don't have a spring gauge, there is another way. With the standard tape measure, measure 20 coils on your spring and write that measurement down. Then by using our tape to gauge chart shown here, locate your 20 coil measurement and it will tell you the gauge that corresponds with that measurement. When ordering garage door torsion springs, it's important to specify spring wind direction. A spring is either right or left wound and has to be installed on the correct side or it won't work.